You will get this spacious living and dining area. See, you will get two parallel platforms in the kitchen where you can easily place king-size bed along with the side tables. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Acropolis 1 by Sahakar Infocron Projects Private Limited located in Bandra East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office that is also the actual land parcel where the tower will be constructed. Over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the overview, this project will be constructed on the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have a standalone tower of ground plus 21 stories that will have 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also there will only be 3 apartments on each floor. That makes this a low density project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Khed Nagar, Bandra East, from where Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes drive, Bandra Station is only at a distance of 5 minutes drive, International Airport is only at a distance of 4.2 kilometers and Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 kilometers. Also, Bandra Kulla Complex BKC is only at a distance of 1 kilometer. You will also get school, colleges and hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Acropolis 1. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1170 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can easily place a 2-side sofa in your living with side tables and center tables, and you can also customize your TV unit. And you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious deck in the living. You can place sofas, tea tables and tea chairs in the deck and enjoy tea time with your family. As you can see, you will be getting a glass facade in the deck that gives you full safety and an unobstructed view. Moving forward, this will be your dining area where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table. This flat is on a butterfly layout and you have bedrooms on that side and you have kitchen over here. Let me show you the kitchen. As we enter, you can see you will get 2 parallel platforms in the kitchen. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And you will also get full French windows with a utility space provided where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward to the bedrooms. First, over here we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables, and wardrobe space is provided that you can customize as per your choice. You will be getting half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom that will give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Moving forward to the master bedrooms. Over here is our first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables, customize your wardrobe, and as you have plenty of walkable space, you can also place small sofas and make a seating corner. You will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious deck in this bedroom where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and swings as well. Over here will come your attached washroom of this master bedroom that you can see is very spacious, that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, over here we have a common washroom that is also very spacious and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving to the largest master bedroom, I would like to tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see you'll get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And to the right of the entrance, you will get a walk-in wardrobe space that is breakable so you can make your bedroom even larger. Right opposite to the walk-in wardrobe space, we have the attached washroom that is very spacious and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is the space where you can easily place king-size bed along with the side tables, and you can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your TV units and a study corner as well, and in this bedroom as well you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious deck where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and also place swings if you want. And this was the 3 BHK tour of Acropolis 1. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Acropolis 1 by Sahakar Infracron Projects Private Limited located in Bandra East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.